how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change dimensions in FreeCAD. So let's say that you have a sketch or a shape embedded onto a plane right here, which in my case, it's going to be this one. And let's say that you want to simply change the dimension of maybe the thickness, the length of this specific object. Well, what you can do is to navigate through the Model Explorer, which allows us to view the models, the body, and the actual file of our project right here. So you want to look for the object that you want to edit. So in my case, it's going to be this pad. So you just want to simply double click on it. And then from here, you have the length option, which is going to be dimensions. So maybe you want to go ahead and set it to something like 30 millimeters as your dimensions. Or if you want to, you could also navigate through the path. In here, you have your length 1 and length 2. For length 2, let's go ahead and put something simple like 20. And then basically from there, you should be good to go. It's that simple. If this video was a bit helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.